Hi viewers, welcome to linuxskill.com. Today we are going to see about how to install MooEdit version 1.2.0 on Ubuntu 18.4. MooEdit is a free and open source programming text editor. It is suitable for developers who are looking for a comfortable environment to write code. Okay, now let us see how to install MooEdit on Ubuntu 18.4. Okay, first of all we have to add the repository of MooEdit using by PPA. Click enter and continue. Then before starting our installation, you should update our system repository using by apt-get command. The update is complete now. Then finally we have to install the MooEdit application. The installation is complete now. Now we have to type MooEdit. The application is shown on the screen. Now we have to use this application. Now we have to check the version of MooEdit application. Here we can see the version of MooEdit 1.2.0. Thus we have seen how to install MooEdit on Ubuntu 18.4. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxskill. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxskill.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxskill.com.